right? Like, so in Maharashtra, if you go, so some of these FDI or like foreign direct investments and related statistics and stuff, majority of the Maharashtrians would probably tell you that Gujarat has like better foreign direct investment. Gujarat has more industrial investments on other things. And the marketing of brand Gujarat for last 20 years has been so. I mean, it's like any number, like there are multiple statistics that in any of these indicator, Maharashtra would be much better. There are indicators, Tamil Nadu and others would be doing better. But then if you ask in general to people, right? Even for these development indicators, you go and probably if you do a random survey, where you think all health and education indicators will be good, they might just say Gujarat. So if you again, not to say that it's like rock bottom state, but then it's a state somewhere in middle which does good marketing.
Marketing wise it's really good. But it's also a rich state. It's not you can only market a rich state. You can't say you can't market Bihar out of poverty. Is what I'm trying to say. You can't say Bihar is amazing.
No, but then technically yes, you have to be somewhere in middle. You cannot be absolute rock bottom.
No. So the argument of Gujarat and Maharashtra, I understand that Maharashtra is it has Mumbai and Pune, but otherwise Maharashtra is not very rich, right? Except for the western Maharashtra.
No, I mean, rural income in Maharashtra would be more than Gujarat's.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
Right there.
So what I'm trying to say is that even if Maharashtra is richer than Gujarat, it's probably just a notch richer. If Maharashtra is number 1, let's say, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu is 1 and 2, Gujarat will be 4 and 5.
Yes.
It will not be 12 or 15.
I get that.
So that is what I'm saying. Yeah. So you can market 4 and 5 to number 1.
Yeah.
But you can't say that same thing for Bihar.
Absolutely.
So there has to be some truth in what is being marketed.
No, actually, that's number 1. There is another way of showing it as well. So in let's say the average income and other statistics, what you are saying is true. But if you ask law and order situation now, many people, I keep hearing that in many people's opinion that UP seems to be doing really great, and I think it's coming to be the law and order state of this country now. To be very frank,
you're sitting in UP by the way. So. You're sitting
in UP. Yeah. So I'm fearing for my it's quite high that in next 10 minutes somebody might walk in from here and kill me.
No.
It won't happen.
People love people from Maharashtra. We don't harm you.
Absolutely.
We'll never ask you to go back to the state.
Yes. So now, so the reason I got the crime statistics here, right? It's Kerala would be multiple times safer, right? But I don't think the Kerala CM can be seen as a law and order CM. If you ask people around, so that's where the marketing, right? It's than reality. I'm also pretty sure that overall crime statistics and stuff, although UP won't be rock bottom, it would be in the
the thing with
lower
UP is it
half somewhere, right?
Yeah, I agree that the crime situation is in UP is among the worst, if not the worst.
Yeah.
But there are 2 more things. One is that it's closer to Delhi, so all crimes get picked up by the media.
Yeah.
Second is that when the pressure on resources is high, crime will naturally be high, right? We see it in most places. Whenever pressure increases in an underdeveloped society, the crime also goes up, right? And the third thing is that, although I promised 2, but there's one more thing. The third thing is that the incidence of this government acting against criminals has been continuously reported in the media.
Yeah.
So even if statistically the crime goes down or not, in news, in anecdote, it looks like there is some action against criminals.
Absolutely. So we're on the same page here. Exactly, right?
The only difference is it's possible that the government is doing something.
Yeah.
Probably just shooting criminals.
No, absolutely.
But something is being done.
Oh, no. I completely agree with that. No, but then the thing is, so acting, yes, right? But then, that doesn't make you so it's basically saying that, so the Bihar, economic growth rate for last multiple years was, significant.
Yeah.
Right? That's very different than saying that, the best growth-oriented person in the world is Gujarat CM. Right? It's
Bihar CM.
Nilesh Kumar, Bihar CM, right? The scenario is different, and so that's so my whole point is the marketing and making stature out of people on some of the issue is pretty easy. That's